Let's look at the effect of obstructions on wind. Obstructions on the ground can affect the flow of wind. So this could be like buildings, mountains, anything that's an obstruction. The obstructions can break apart the flow of wind, the like natural constant smooth flow, and it can create gusts, which in turn creates turbulence. The intensity of turbulence depends on the size of our obstruction and the velocity of the wind itself. So how fast the wind is going, how smooth it already is. Let's look at this mountain for an example. It's a really good one. It shows the wind flow on the upward side as well as the leeward side. So looking at this example, on the left we have wind flowing very smoothly upwards the mountain. No problem on this side. Your aircraft will have awesome performance going up it. However, on the leeward side, where the wind follows the contour of the terrain, it's going to be increasingly turbulent. You can see once it goes over this mountain, the air is going to want to flow with the terrain. So it flows with the terrain, but it's like, it's not smooth, right? It's going to, and on top of that, the wind has to come over here and down, right? So you're going to get a giant downdraft or downforce that's going to push you towards the mountain, and it's going to look something like this. Whole lot of turbulence. So that's just something you need to look out for with the effect of obstructions on wind. We're going to keep going with the effects of weather on our small aircrafts. Next, looking at low-level wind shear as well as some weather.